In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Bitbucket access token. This process is essential if you need to automate your workflows or integrate Bitbucket with other services and tools. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To start, you'll need to log in to Bitbucket Cloud. Head over to bitbucket.org using your preferred web browser. Once there, enter your credentials to access your Bitbucket account. Assuming you're familiar with using Bitbucket, find and open the specific repository you need the token for. It's crucial to ensure you're in the right repository because the token will be tied to its specific permissions and access settings. Now that you're in the repository, look toward the sidebar for the repository settings. Clicking on this will reveal a menu full of options on the left-hand side, all related to managing different aspects of your repository. From these options, you'll want to look for and select Access Tokens, which can be found under the Security section. This is the area where you can create, view, and manage your access tokens. With the Access Token page open, you'll see the option to Create Access Token. Clicking on this will bring up a form where you'll need to provide some details. Specifically, you'll be asked to give your token a label. This label acts like a name or a tag, helping you and anyone else with repository access to understand what the token is for. It's a good idea to choose something descriptive like Jenkins integration or DevOps pipeline to signify its intended use. This helps with future management, especially if you find yourself with multiple tokens. After you've entered a meaningful label, you'll have to configure the permissions for the token. This step is all about security. You'll see a list of available permissions, each allowing the token specific rights. Review these options carefully to enable only what's necessary for your needs. For instance, if you need to read repository data but not modify it, make sure you select only the read permissions. Overprivileged tokens can be a security risk, so less is often more here. Once you've completed these settings, you'll proceed to create the token by clicking the Final Confirmation button. Immediately after creation, Bitbucket will display your new access token. It's important to note that this is a one-time display for security reasons. Make sure to copy and store this token securely in a password manager or other secure storage solution because you won't be able to see it again in Bitbucket. And that's it. Your Bitbucket access token is ready for use. You can now integrate Bitbucket seamlessly into your workflows or connect it to other apps needing access to your repository. This token enables secure, programmatic access, making it an invaluable tool for developers and IT teams alike. If you ever need to revoke or regenerate the token, you can return to the Access Tokens section at any time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!